everybody. My name is Lalana. Welcome to my first podcast channel. My channel name is Lalu Dash with Dash Smart. Today we in our studio we had an VIP, a silent killer, lady dog, called her Diksha Anand. Namaste Diksha.
Namaste, Lara.
She is a great public speaker. She is studying in 8th standard. The school name is SVK, the Smart School. I will ask some questions, Diksha. You should answer.
Okay.
The first question is self-introduction of you.
My name is Diksha, and I'm a student of Mindset Training Academy. So I'm going to public speaking now because of this class. Now I'm sitting in front of you, and I'm confident to speak with you and speak with Lalana. She's also a great public speaker.
Wow, what a very nice. Let's ask the second question. What's your favorite way to spend the weekends? Means from who? Means how you will celebrate your weekends?
I celebrate weekends by going out and enjoying. Some days, some weekends, I even go out to hotels to eat food. It will be very delicious.
Wow, very nice. Do you enjoy what you do for a living? Means you will enjoy alone or somebody should be in the home?
I think so. I'll be enjoyed if I'll be alone with my phone, TV, by seeing TV. I'll wish that I should be alone in my room or my house without any sound. I love to be alone.
Wow, very nice. Do you like pets?
Yes, I like pets. Most, I like cute dogs, cats, and even the little goats. It will be very beautiful. So I like the pets a lot.
Wow, I also like pets. Which animation movie you like?
uh, Animation movie Mahatma. It's actually an AI movie. It's a cartoon movie animated to humans. Now also it's running, but it's not running in theater. It's in Hotstar and Prime Video. If you want, you can go and watch.
Wow, thank you for telling this. Let's go for next question. What's your dream?
My dream is to become, to take a Rolls Royce car
Wow,
and a Bruce bike, and I should become an agriculture doctor and test plants as my parents means my grandfathers are farmers, and I should check that plants is good or not. So it's my dream to become agriculture doctor and take those plants.
what a good dreams for you had. Let's go for next question. What's your favorite goals?
My favorite goal is to become an agriculture doctor. It's the only goal I have, and I should become. I should do my best to become agriculture doctor.
Okay, let's go for. You like freedom fighters? Tell their
Yeah,
names.
of course. I like freedom. Yeah, of course. I love freedom fighters. Their names are. Then I know few names. I'll tell that. Gandhiji, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lala Lajpat Roy, and etc. There are so many freedom fighters. I respect them because they gave freedom us. If they were not there, still we were under British. We were in under British control, and we were suffering.
Wow, I also like freedom fighters. First, I love Mahatma Gandhi. He helped to, means he had non-violence, which is very nice. Because of that, we are standing and we are talking here. As next question, share your happy and enjoyable day in your life.
Can you repeat it?
Share your happy and enjoyable day in your life.
It's a day in fifth summer holiday when I went to Tamil Nadu. Then I went to Ooty, a beautiful place. We traveled 60 kilometers. There were so many car sections there. So that's why I know I don't want to go in car so that I would not enjoy. So we went bike. When we went 30 kilometers there. It was cold. We went in summer days, but it was so cold then also. So that's the only day that I enjoyed a lot in that mountain.
Wow, I also like garden areas more. When we had some trips or when we are like to go with the gardens. Let's go for. about the food?
I like both because home food also will be good and hotel food also will be good.
Wow, I also like both, but I love home food more than. Let's go for more. Which is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is sunflower.
Wow.
As I love sun, every day, of course, I'll be in sun, I'll play in sun. So I love sun, so that's why I also love sunflower as it blooms very good and sees very.
Even I also like that bloom like flowers. Let's go for which favorite certificate in your life you like?
I like that Coco Sports certificate. That was the first place that I got. So I like that certificate so much, and I love the prize medal that they gave because my dream is to become a international Coco player as this year it started.
Even I also be a sports player like in running race. But I like Coco because now means we are playing together with every people. I like more. In my school times was playing more than. Let's go for move. Which god is powerful for you?
It's Hanuman because we agree that if ghosts come, if we show a Hanuman picture to them, that the ghost will scare and go. If you sing a Hanuman Chalisa song, the ghost will scare. So he's also my favorite god. So that's why I love Hanuman and he is very powerful also. He can fly also. That's why he is very powerful.
Wow, she's telling that. The Hanuman has all the power and you should Hanuman. But every time we pray Hanuman, we get some light, some means Hanuman Chal is a good thing. When we are getting so sad or something happened, pray Hanuman Chalis, you will get a nice sleep and nice something good things will happen in your life. You like Western dance or classical dance?
I like both. As classical dance is Bharatanatyam, that is because Karnataka's cultural dance is Bharatanatyam and first dance. But I don't know to do Bharatanatyam as too much. I know Western dance very good. So when lockdown before I was going to Western dance classes. So I know it very well.
Yes, I'm the classical dance. I love Western dance and classical dance, but I love to more classical dance because I like classical dance. So let's go move on to another. You like to do a dance with solo or together with people? Means
I like both. As solo, also they'll only appreciate me if I do good. And group means they'll see who will do good dance and they'll appreciate only them and they'll not appreciate. So I like to do a solo dance. With
wow,
nobody.
I like solo dance more. Why? Because when we do solo dance, what we have practiced, we achieved, we will get more benefits. And when we did together, means some of the problems will come from us. Yes. And next question, who is our best friend in your life? Tell three names.
My best friend in my life is Pranamya, Kalpana, and Aitya. They are my three best friends ever in my life.
Explain about them.
Pranamya is friend. She do jokes. Even though we fight together, the next second only we'll tell sorry to each other when we win and we'll become friends. Kalpana, she is a very good friend. She'll share things with us, and she is from Hyderabad. Hyderabad and the Brahmins. They'll prepare some new dishes which I didn't eat. She'll come and share with me. She'll tell us, I brought you a unique food thing to eat, and she'll give me. And Aikya, she is also Brahmin student. Brahmin. She studies well. I'll also study well with this. We were sitting together in sixth class. We were sitting together in sixth class, and we were sharing everything, and we were the best friends ever in my life.
Third person.
I don't think.
Next go. Means I also like friends. My friend's name is Hita and Janya. They were a good friend. We can share our things. And we doing more jokes. Whenever we do jokes, we are like you only we are also. And it is very nice where we had in friends, we are getting good compassion communicating. And next, you like decent house or a bungalow?
Allow bungalow because steps will be inside itself, and I love to be that. It will be very nice up and down, even though we can sleep everywhere and all. So I love to be in Bangalore.
Oh wow. Next question. I also like bungalow. Why? Because we are in cities and whenever we are in some people with us. Look, which dress you like, modern or traditional?
I love traditional. I don't like modern.
I also like tradition. Why? Because it is our culture.
Yeah.
From so many years we are doing this. It is very nice. When we means from festivals, we are wearing a traditional dress. Wherever we go, we should share our traditionals. I will share everywhere we are, when I go. I will share my traditionals. Which is your favorite actress or actor?
I'll tell both. My favorite actress is Srila, as she is the best dancer and she is the best heroine. When she was small, her mother got cancer and they were very poor. She worked hard and she became a heroine and a best dancer. And in actor, I love Ram Charan.
Wow,
As his
explain about
father
it.
is still, as his father is still a TV. So,
Wow, it is a very nice. I will select Srilina. Let's move on. Who is your Hollywood movies which you like?
I like Hollywood movies means RRR. It's a very beautiful movie.
Wow, I will like that.
No, it's sorry. My favorite Hollywood favorite movie is Bahubali 2. Means it's a very hated movie, so that's why I like it the most.
Wow, it is a very traditional. We can learn about the Bahubali. And next question: what always make you smile?
Uh, my hope, my inner strength makes me smile every time.
Another two.
Um, when my mother and father give me a gift, and when I did in something which I wanted to in that.
Okay, I also like the movies when I am in very happy and whenever I got some achievements, I will be happy more. And whenever I means now you came for our studio, I was so happy and control I will smile with my face. And let's go for another. You like silent person or talkative person?
I'm a talkative person. I'm not a silent person, finally. I'll talk. That my teachers will ask, what your mouth will not bend, you'll be talking. If we make us to write, you'll tell ma'am, my hand is paining, no need, and they'll tell like that.
Wow, I also like talkative because talking, we can communicate with them in English.
Yeah.
And when another question. What's your favorite dish or sweet or anything, junk food or anything?
It's of course paneer.
You can tell other three or two.
I won't like paneer palau, and I won't like most of only that two. I like paneer and palau. It's my favorite dish.
I also like mandir and palau. It is very nice and sweets.
I don't like sweets.
Wow. Spice you like?
Yeah, I like spicy too much.
Wow. I also like in the winter season the spices were very nice. And I asked all the questions you answered very nice and you had a good time with me and I had a good time with me. I will end my podcast with a good smile. Thank you.